Now we're going to write the action script code that will play Flash video. Create a new layer called Actions. Go to the blank keyframe, open up the Actions panel, type var space my nc colon NetConnection with a capital N and a capital C semicolon. This creates a new variable called myNC that's of the type NetConnection. NetConnection is short for network connection, as you may have guessed, and it works with the video to establish a connection to a local file. So it can play back in your video component. Press enter, type var space my capital N capital S semicolon NetStream with capital N and a capital S semicolon. This creates a new variable called myNS that's of the type NetStream. The NetStream class is kind of like the sound class, where the sound class is associated with MP3s. NetStream class is the same thing, but for video. Press enter a few times, type function space play video with capital V, open and close parenthesis, colon, void with capital V, enter, open bracket, enter again, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Alright, now we're going to instantiate or give a value to these variables. Type my, capital N, capital C, space equals space, new, space, net connection, with N and C capitalized, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. That creates a new instance of the NetConnection class. Press enter. Now type my, capital N, capital C, dot connect, open parenthesis, type null, N-U-L-L, close parenthesis, semicolon. As I said earlier, network connection or net connection makes a connection to a local file. It's going to be in the same folder as my FLA file. When you type mync.connect, you're creating a connection. You need to type null in the parentheses after connect unless you're connecting to a file on a Flash communication server. In that case, you'd type the host name or the server address in the parentheses instead of null. Okay, now press enter, type my, capital N, capital S, space equals space, new, NetStream, capital N and a capital S, open parenthesis. We're creating a new NetStream. Remember, it's kind of like the sound object. When you create the new NetStream object, you need to associate it with a connection. And so I'm going to type my, capital N, capital C, close parenthesis, semicolon. So it creates a new instance of the NetStream class and adds myNC as its connection. Now press enter. Now we're going to attach our NetStream object to the video box we created in the last exercise. So press insert target path, MC_video, scroll down, find your video instance, select absolute, press OK. Type a dot, attach video, capital V, open parenthesis. See in the code heading it's asking for a source. And so just like the sound object, we're going to use myNS or the NetStream class for that. So type my, capital N, capital S, close parenthesis, semicolon. So now we've associated that video clip instance with our NetStream object.